I'm going to show you how to make the cherry filling. I have 4 cups of frozen cherries. I'm going to cook those for about 10 to 15 minutes on a medium heat and let all of that juice release. Cherries have cooked for 15 minutes. I chopped them up so that I'm able to spoon them into the pastry a little easier. We will add 1 cup of sugar. And we will add a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Cook this down for 2 minutes until it gets real thick with that cornstarch. For those 3 ingredients, 4 cups of cherries, 1 cup of sugar, and a 1/4 cup of cornstarch is all you need to make your own cherry pastry filling.